What else can we put in a FilePro table? What goes in a FilePro table generally? Oh, I lost my set file name, so I'm going to put that back in there. While you were in between the two tutorial segments, in other words, in null space, just a moment ago, I went and deleted screen 0 and I backed entirely out of the menu, so I wouldn't have to keep pressing screen 1. I can just enter now on screen 1. When I go into the file VG, I will just hit enter now. It was bothering me that I had to press the down arrow or press a 1, so I fixed that, and I had backed all the way out past the menu. I went out to the operating system. When I went back into FilePro, of course, it starts me all over again. It lost my file name. So I'm just showing you that you can press E again, put in the correct file name. Okay. Now, if I go into FilePro processing, the same table, we're going to go into the input table. Let's leave these things. Get rid of that. Let's F4 everything else. Let's look at these closely. We have a FilePro field. Remember, there's 1 through 999. If I press F6, these are all the fields that are available to me in this file. I can refer to them as, their numbers, or I can put literals. I can put fields or literals on this processing table. What else can I put on this processing table? Well, believe it or not, the actual map name here, the heading for these fields. For instance, field 20 is equal to CUST type. Okay? If I were to write in here, instead of 21, put CUST type, if cust type equal to 15, that's exactly the same thing. Exactly the same thing as saying is 20 equal to field 15. This is called a map an alias. It's an alias for the number 20, for the field 20. It's the actual map name. It's called a map name, the real field heading of the field. And you can use them. Remember, I put this underbar in here because I can't do this. I can't say cust space type. Again, if you look at that, you see there is a cust discount, a cust so forth, cust code. So I put underscores. Otherwise, we would just see 3 different fields with the word cust. No good. So at any rate, I can refer to the map names. Okay.